Hello, friends. It is time for math. All right. Go ahead and get out your journal, and we're going to get started with our application problem today. You can hit pause on the video if you need a little bit more time to get your journal. Our application problem says, there are 6 children on the swings and 9 children playing tag. How many children are playing on the playground? Make 10 to solve. Create a drawing, a number bond, and a number sentence along with your statement. I would like you to hit pause right now and try on your own. I'll read it one more time for you. There are 6 children on the swings and 9 children playing tag. How many children are playing on the playground? See if you can figure it out on your own. Hit pause. Okay, friends, let's check your work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children on the swings. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 children playing tag. How many children are playing on the playground? So how many in all? So we're going to cross out 1 from here and move it over here to make 10. Now we have 10 over here and 5 over here. Before, the numbers in our problem were 6 and 9. So our original equation was 6 plus 9. Our new equation is 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? Very good. 10 plus 5 is 15. Which means 6 plus 9 also equals 15. If you don't see that you can put the 5 over the 0, you can always fist count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 9 plus 6, or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, friends. Now we need to create a number bond and a number in a statement, because these are our number sentences here. So let's make our number bond. Part plus part is whole. 10 and 5 gives me 15. There's my number bond. My statement is there are 15 children on the playground. All right, so go ahead and hit pause and go ahead, check your work, make sure that your journal page looks just like mine. All right, we're going to move on here. Our next assignment we are going to do in Seesaw. So we're going to go to Schoology, go to our attendance course, scroll down. You should have already watched your good morning video and your reading video here. You're going to click on Seesaw. In Seesaw, you're going to go to your activities, and we're going to do this one, add response. First, I'll read you the directions. Click add response to begin this activity in your journal. Page 1. Click the video to review combinations that make 10. Then you're going to have to click to page 2. Click and drag the number cards using the hand to the addition boxes to make combinations that make 10. When you have all the addition boxes full, use the microphone to record yourself saying the addition facts that make 10. When you've finished, press the check to submit your work. And when you go to do this assignment, you need to click this button and it will read you the instructions again. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, you're going to click play and watch the video. You're going to watch the video all the way through until you get all the way to the end. Then you'll click that to pause it. Then over here on the side, you're going to click to the second page. Okay, so you may have to click this little thing first to open it up. Then you click to page 2. Now we have to click and drag the number pairs that make 10. So I see, oops. See, I already made a mistake. I need to click the hand button first. Once I have the hand button, then I can move the numbers. So I have 4, and what makes 10? 4 and 6 makes 10. 8 and 2 makes 10. 9 and 1 makes 10. 6 and 4 makes 10. 7 and 3 makes 10. 2 and 8 makes 10. So you're going to go through all of those. I did some of them with you. You're going to finish all of them up. And then when you're done, you're going to click the microphone over here. And you are going to read me all your facts. So you're going to say 4 plus 6 equals 10. 8 plus 2 makes 10. 7 plus 3 makes 10. 9 plus 1 makes 10. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 2 plus 8 makes 10. And then read through all of them. Then you click your pause button. Then you click done. If you need to go back to watch the video again once you get started because you forget some of the pairs that make 10, you can just click back here and watch it again to help you, because that's going to tell you all of the number pairs. Remember, we've watched this video in class before. Okay, and then when you're all finished, so you have all your pairs, you recorded yourself, you click the green check to say you're done. All right, and then after you've done that, you need to go back here to Schoology, and you need to make sure that you have done all of your math applications for today. So right now, after you do your Seesaw assignment, you need to go on Reflex and get your green light. I will be checking later today, and we will be celebrating the friends that do a great job and get their green light. After you get your green light and Reflex, you need to get on Redbird. You need to do Redbird for at least 20 minutes, and then you can do Zearn. Okay? So we're doing Reflex till we get our green light, then Redbird, then Zearn. Repeat after me. Reflex, Redbird, Zearn. Got it? All right, so we can go through those here. So we have Reflex here, Redbird here, and Zearn. You need to do all 3 of those math applications. I'm going to be checking later tonight to see who did them. I hope that you do all of your math applications today. Thank you guys so much for doing math with me. I'm so excited to see who gets their green light later and who passes a level on Redbird and who passes a level on Zearn. So I'll be checking later. Bye for now, friends.